What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Whitestone Dome's film screen protectors for the brand new Galaxy Z Flip 4. We have a couple different films from Whitestone right here. We have one that protects the inner screen and the glass on the back, and we also have another one that covers the whole back as well as the spine of the phone. And we also have a glass screen protector for the back of your Flip 4. Now, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here we have Whitestone Dome's premium film. It comes with a front screen protector and protectors for the back of your phone. So here we get a little installation bumper. You get some protectors for the back of your phone. You get a squeegee, an installation packet, and a screen protector for the front of your phone. So first we're going to put down our little installation bumper, just like that. Next we're going to clean off our screen with the alcohol wipe. Then we're going to dry the screen off with our little drying cloth. Then we can use our dust sticker to get rid of any dust. Then we're going to take our screen protector. We're going to peel off the number 1 here on the underside. Don't touch the underside after you take it off. We're going to position this on the phone with the little cutout for the camera on the top and put it in place the best we can with our little tabs here. Once it's in place, we're going to take our squeegee and just kind of push down to get some of the bubbles out here. Just like that. Make sure it's perfectly aligned in place because it looks like it goes from edge to edge. Once you're happy with the placement, we're going to go ahead and put this against our bumper. We're going to take our squeegee, we're going to put it behind the middle here. We're going to lift up on tab 1, just like this, and then push the screen protector out over our screen, just like that. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Put the squeegee down behind the middle, lift up on tab 2, and then push out over your screen. Just like that. And just squeegee out any bubbles you might see. Next, we'll go ahead and get one of the guide stickers. We'll go ahead and put that in one of the corners. And when we lift up, we want to make sure that we lift up the top screen protector and not the one under it. And then squeegee out any bubbles you might see, if you see any. Alright, so let's go and take a look at the install. Looks pretty flawless to me. It looks just like the screen protector that was installed on the phone when I first took it off. We'll go ahead and bend it a couple times. There is one slight bubble up at the top corner there. As far as lines go, there is a line in the middle, like at the very middle of the screen, but that's the only place that it's there. It says in the instructions that it will disappear. It's not a huge deal because it's like right in the crease. You guys can see that. I don't think it's such a huge deal, but the rest of the screen protector is like flawless. Very nice. It feels pretty good. It's a little grippy, not horrible. It does pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily just wipe those away. They come off without hardly any effort. As far as touch goes, touch perfect. No problems there. It's still crystal clear. Let's go ahead and move on to the back of the phone. So here we have all of our pieces. This is the top. So again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to peel off the number 1. Just grab the tab after you do that. And then we'll use the tabs to install it. These tabs make installing very easy. I wish everybody did that. Go ahead and just kind of push this down a little bit so it stays. Now we'll go ahead and put our squeegee behind number 1 and we'll lift up. Just push that up and over your cameras. You can use the edge of this to kind of lift that piece up and over the cameras. And we'll just smooth that out. Then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Then we'll use a guide sticker to peel off the top layer. Just make sure you don't pull off the underside with it. There you go. And then squeegee out any bubbles. Not too bad. There are just a little bit of bubbles there, but those should disappear and it looks beautiful. Like there is a line in the middle here but as far as the install, it covers everything and it's perfectly aligned. Very nice. All right, so here is the back all done. I had a little bit of issue with this piece right here when I was trying to lift up the piece of the protective layer on top. It wouldn't come up. It was lifting up the whole screen protector. And then on the bottom here, this little squeegee wasn't big enough to push over the whole screen. So that's how I got some of this kind of weirdness. But it definitely is aligned perfectly because of those tabs. And it does still offer you that protection if you're not going to use a case. And then here we have the Dome Glass EZ screen protectors for the back screen of your phone. These are glass, so you get a couple of those screen protectors, some wipes, some alcohol preps, some stickers, and a little protector for the metal spine of your phone. Then we'll go ahead and take our screen protector. What you probably want to do is to fold up your phone while it's on, just like that. So the first thing you want to do is to peel off the underside of the glass, just like that. And we'll go ahead and place this down on our phone and just kind of push your finger down the middle. Then you can use your wipe to kind of wipe it down. And there you go. So it's got a mirror, so you can maybe do your makeup or whatever, but you can still see underneath it if you need. Then we also do have that spine protection. So you can go and wipe that down, dry it off really good. Then you need to peel off the bottom, which is number 1. And we'll put this down on the spine here. We'll just press that down. And all you need to do is peel up number 2. Kind of push that down over the spine if you can see how it is. And then just run your finger down so it stays. And then do the same thing for number 3. And then you peel off the top part, and you can kind of just push that down with your thumb. And now your spine is all protected, just like that. You can't even really tell that it's there. So that is pretty cool, the little glass screen protector you can use as a mirror, and you can still see behind the glass, and then you have your spine protection. And I can definitely tell you that the about 30 minutes that I've been waiting, that little line in the middle is starting to disappear. And then here we have the Dome Premium Gen Film for the inner portion of the screen and the outer screen. So it comes with this little stopper here, which we already have down from the previous one. We have our screen protector, our installation packet, the spine and rear display protectors, and then here we have our installation tray. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to put down your little foam bumper. Then we're going to go ahead and clean off the screen. And we also get a little film to remove the film in case we need to take it off. Next, we're going to go ahead and assemble the tray. We want to make sure that this goes down with these little prongs facing up. Just press it into place, just like that. Go ahead and take our phone and put it into the tray. As you can see, it's got a little cutout for the camera, which we'll put in just like that. And we're going to press it up against our little foam bumper. Remove any dust you might see. Then very carefully, you're going to peel off the number 1. You really need to make sure that it doesn't peel off anything but the underside of the protector, because if it takes the screen protector with it, you're going to have bubbles. So be very careful with this. Okay, once you have that off, you want to turn this upside down. We're going to put these little holes at the top here into the little posts, just like that. And then we're going to put the bottom holes into the little slots down here, making sure that the screen protector doesn't touch the phone yet. Then we're going to take our squeegee and we're going to make sure that the little posts here go on the outside of the plastic. And then we're going to simply just push forward all the way until we get to the very end of our phone. Just like that. Then while you're holding, you're going to take this piece off the posts, just like that, and just make sure you press down the rest of the screen protector the whole way. And then very carefully, we're going to peel back the top layer, make sure it doesn't take the screen protector with it. Then we can kind of just take this away and use the other side to press down the screen protector in areas where it may not have gotten adhered. And then we can take our phone out. All right, looks pretty good. I see just a little bit of bubbles in the crease here. Those will hopefully go away within a couple of days. They're very small. Everything else looks pretty good. So installation was pretty easy. As you can see, there are no other bubbles except for the little in the crease there. We'll go ahead and fold this up a couple times. And no other problems. And actually, the bubbles just disappeared in the crease. Very nice. So, perfect installation. No bubbles at all, as you can see. Looks very nice. As far as touch goes, feels like the screen protector that was on the phone when I first got it. It does pick up some fingerprints, like you can see, but you can just easily wipe those away. Just like any other screen protector, you're going to get fingerprints. But it looks flawless. Very nice. As far as the touch goes, touch is very nice and smooth. Works beautifully. Very nice. It's crystal clear. Looks great. So that was Whitestone Dome's screen protector lineup for the brand new Galaxy Flip 4. Again, if you guys want to pick these up yourself, I will be putting links in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.